Hi, I'm Katherine with Nebraska Furniture Mart, and I'm here to talk to you about the Sony A6000. This is one of our most cost-effective cameras and is perfect for beginners and semi-pro photographers. It features a 24 megapixel image sensor, which allows you to take really great detailed photos for screen and then on print. Another great thing about this camera is the electronic viewfinder. Because it's a mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, it allows you to see the differences that you're making in different manual modes as you shoot the photo, which is great for new beginners that are figuring out how the camera works. Another one of our favorite features with this camera is the continuous frames per second, which is 11 frames per second. In addition to that is the autofocus points of 179. If you have any questions about the Sony A6000 or any other product, please don't hesitate to come by any of our stores in the Omaha, Kansas City, or the Colony, Texas locations and talk to any one of us. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe.